Drop it.
What is up, guys? Back with another video. Here, gaming with Vastav. Please subscribe to my channel before going to my channel. Before going to my video. Now I'm gonna hatch a dragon called Furnace Dragon. I already hatched it. And Furnace Dragon, I got it. I got the Furnace Dragon. I'm the very lucky boy. I'm the very lucky boy. I got it in the first move of the day. I got it in the first move already. There are no habitats. There are no habitats. So I'm gonna go to shop actually. I'm gonna go to habitats. And I'm gonna build this for habitat. For this, and yes, I'm go and sit in the fire habitat. You should not deserve a legendary. Yeah, good. Now, Furnace Dragon, you go sit in the legendary habitat. Yeah, I got the Furnace Dragon for the very first try. Did you see, guys? I got the see, Iron Fire, Pixel Dot, and Furnace. With this, my 97th dragon is Furnace. First of all, going to his features, it's so cute. Not that much cute. It's like Iron Fire, but the other version of the Iron Fire. Okay, doing so cute noises. And the base attack, normally the base attack is 75 and 234 health. It's a very good dragon, guys. First feed, let's feed it and bring it to level 4. Do you like it, Furnace Draggy? Did you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? And there you go, the original Furnace, the beast volcano and the Furnace Dragon. I got it in the very first try, and this dragon is so cool looking. I don't like so much in the childhood, but I like it in now. So looking so beast. It's a legendary killer, really, guys. See, let's pet him. It's not even time to pet him, guys. And so cool dragon, guys. And the new event is going on, Turf War, and this event is nothing about we should complete the rounds. If we complete 4 rounds, we'll get the third dragon. Third dragon is not so special dragon, but it's first time in Dragon Mini Legend, so please keep in your collection. It has a base attack of 61, not so cool, and I will not recommend it you to keep in your team. So you are which, guys. And going to the hatchery, and we'll try to breed the sparkler dragon. Hopefully we'll get 22 hours. No. Okay, guys. And my clan is Arena Top 20. You should also join this clan, guys. This clan is so awesome, so active clan. I like this clan a lot. Okay, guys, especially for this events, clan season events. So please subscribe to my channel, Gaming with Vastav. I am thinking for a second channel, but no, guys, I'm not gonna go with second channel. I already had the channel, but in YouTube it's not game. It's that channel name is Latest Gaming. If you search, you will not get it. So please subscribe to my channel, Gaming with Vastav. If you subscribe, I'll think about the second channel. And once wait, guys. The head, guys. Okay, guys, are you there?